You've written recently a couple of personal pieces which talk about things like quantum leaps, and you're talking about transformation rather than simply change, which could be any direction. So you're obviously very keen to make a step change in our industry. I would argue that very few people have really achieved this in pharma. Do you think that Takeda is going to be responsible for this kind of major change?
I do think that technology is a big driver here, and that the availability of more information to many more people in a transparent and an on-time moment forces you to act much quicker and forces you to act in different ways than you used to do. And that then the traditional ways are outdated, not functioning anymore, and become really obsolete. So I think that technology is really a big facilitator here to help you make the quantum leap. And hence my article around digital is really a vital thing now that we need to engage everybody on, and that will help us to build the platforms. Did we figure it out completely already? No. Are we trying many different routes? Yes, we are. And one of them will be a breakthrough, you know. And I count strongly that it will be a Takeda one.
Is your vision really as concrete as it needs to be, as detailed as it needs to be, or are you trying many things and seeing what gets traction? Do you really have, because digital, it's the journey, it's not the destination, right?
I have to admit that we have tried many things, which some worked, some didn't, but we also learned that this is probably not the way to make the quantum leap. So I do think that it facilitated really a lot the learning of the organization and the familiarization, which is important to engage everybody, but it didn't bring the quantum leap. Now, what I think will be more focused is that if you select 2, 3 particular areas where you want to make that difference and focus on that and implement a larger scale type of project. But it goes without saying that the data generation by itself is a big platform where you can make really difference. So the digitalization of data generation, information sharing around that, and driving outcomes out of it is definitely an area that will create a bigger breakthrough. And that's what we are doing now. After our learning phase, we went more into more concrete, specific actions to find the better way to operate.